I graduated from the University of Kentucky in Lexington from my cardiology fellowship, and I started practicing in Western Kentucky. That was about 8 years ago. So up until last year, I was practicing there and then relocated here to Jacksonville. Well, my first rotation during my residency was the heart failure team in my hospital, and I became fascinated with that particular population of patients, and I actually thought then that I would specialize in heart failure medicine. Later on, I just found that the cardiology team was always doing the most interesting things, seeing the most interesting patients, and it was the area where I could make the most impact in my patients' lives. Some of my favorite aspects here at FCCI are really that I'm working with the best group of physicians, mid-levels, and support staff that I've ever worked with. I know that everybody here is very patient-centric, and we all practice fantastic medicine, and we all get along really well and have such respect for each other and for our patients, and it's a great atmosphere to work in. The most rewarding part of my job is when I can make a difference in someone's lives. When they leave my care or leave my immediate time that I've taken care of them, and they've learned something, they can make changes in their lives, they don't come back with more heart attacks, they don't come back with symptoms, and they start to really change their life around in a more positive aspect. I think I'm most inspired when someone says thank you, someone says I've made a difference, and someone says I'm appreciated, and that really happens all the time here. My free time is really spent with my family. I have a husband and 2 children, and we spend a lot of time together. I also spend a lot of time reading, knitting, crocheting, whenever I can find the time in between the kids, and enjoying the beach. Honestly, when I was growing up, I don't remember what I wanted to be. My mom told me that when I was little that I had told her that I would be a doctor, but the last thing I remember is graduating from high school, going to college, and then at some point just knowing that this is what I was going to do with the rest of my life.